Hey everybody, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the July mystery kit. This mystery has already shipped, so if you sign up next month, you will get a completely different kit. If you're looking to buy this kit in particular, I would check out the Buy Sell Trade group. They have officially shipped and I am obsessed. So let's go ahead and get into it. And this is the July mystery. So I wanted to do something, usually our July mystery is kind of like fall-esque, July or August. I think it's July. And I wanted to do something that was fall, but not fall, that you could kind of use anytime. I think I mentioned in a past video that this month I feel like you could use for fall. I feel like you could use for Halloween. I feel like you could use for like March, kind of. It gives me March with like the darker green in it. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show y'all the ultimate first. There's some extra sheets in here as well. So let's go through the kit first. As always, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I just wanted to go with kind of something witchy, but not Halloween-y. That was like minimal witch and more of just an aesthetic witchy versus necessarily like full-blown Halloween witch. And I thought this turned out so cute. I'm obsessed with these fashion options. And the scene is like, it's so beautiful. I love spiral staircases, the piles of books, the plants. I just feel like it's a vibe. And realistically, besides like these two boxes, it's just kind of giving like moody, in my opinion. The colors here, you have a really dark purple, you have like a charcoal color, a darker blue, and then you have a like kind of like a really pretty green. It's kind of hard to tell on, what's it called, on camera. Let me see if I can shine a light on there. You can see that the one is more green. In person, you'll be able to tell. Tons of deco there. You have your extra boxes there as well. It's just very moody, dark. This is going to look really fun with all different foil colors. I personally think silver will pop against the dark colors. I always say I love silver when it comes to dark colors. You have the extra scene here of the house. It is so stinking pretty. I love the bottom washi with the butterflies. And I feel like I said, I think silver will be really pretty with this. But if you didn't want to use the silver, you could totally use like a matte bronze. You can do a matte silver. If you wanted to do black, if you wanted to do a navy, you have that same box here in the extra, but it's tall. You have more fashion options here. And then this would be perfect for a quote. I feel like you can lean into the reading elements of this. You could lean into the plant elements of this, witchy, spooky, and make it your own depending on what foil you pair with it. And I just think it is so pretty. Before I put it away, let me show the foil that comes with it. You have the more neutral selection here with the silver. I think this is going to look so pretty against this dark art. And this is in the shimmer format, which is just so pretty with the shimmer underlays. You have the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. And then also as an extra this month, there is going to be 2 sheets of the like fall overlays. These have not been released in shop yet, and they're just leaves. I was going to do a whole like foil bundle, but I thought that these, I put some little like dots in there as well, could totally pair with any. And these are like 8 full boxes, so you could kind of get almost a full spread, use maybe 1 or 2 other ones and call it a day, or you could just sprinkle these in and use them through 2 or 3 spreads. But you have like the double box, which you could turn these around, make a double box. You have the corners, and then you have the 4 corners as well, which you can cut this and make it a double box or a tall box. And I think this is just a really good addition to kind of make a fall spread without making it like all over leaves, but you could use this with confetti, sparkle, shimmer, any of those, and I think it would be a perfect little addition. So I went ahead and threw those in there, and they will be coming to shop in the normal foils maybe in a couple weeks whenever I bring this overstock there as well. So that is the ultimate kit. And then we have the mini kit, which is a more affordable option, and this month it also did come with, usually comes with just a little foil sampler, but I went ahead this month and added the 2 full boxes in there as well as the freebie. So you have the full boxes, the same deco page, same glitter header page. This is the mini kit page, the bottom washi page, as well as the freebie page, which has your labels and the extra color, which is more of like a darker kind of muted brown. Love that. Think it is beautiful. So I hope you like this month's theme. I just think it's very different compared to last month, which it was that old Hollywood glam. It's very kind of fall themed, but like I said, let's say you already have your fall themed. I think this would look really pretty. It would also look pretty like in spooky season, or it would look really nice in like March with all of the greens, like a winter to spring transition. But that is everything for this month's mystery. Again, if you're looking to purchase this, I would definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group. We do have an ISO post in there that you can post that you were in search of it, and if anybody is selling theirs, they will comment on that. But also sometimes they post them on the feed. So definitely check out that. But otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.